Guys, my cat just found a huge moth. Like, it is huge. Honestly, I'm kind of, oh, you can see its wing. Holy. I have an idea. I'm gonna snap it with this baseball. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, I'm not letting it out. Guys, I am scared. What can I do? What can I use? Honestly, I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to use a bat. What's up? Oh, shoot! Where the heck did it go? Thank you, Ellie. Ellie, get it. Ellie, please get it. Even the cat is scared. Guys, I think I just killed it. Look. Oh shoot, it's still alive. Oh shoot, I damaged its wing. Oh shoot, that thing is scary. I'm gonna have to trap it in a container. I'm gonna grab a bowl and cover it. There we go. Alright, I might make a part 2. I might not. Okay, bye guys.